Pretty much just gotta know, remove this, backspace, bam, simple. Close that out and go over here, copy funnel, go over here, paste funnel. Hey, what is up, all you funnel hackers? In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to clone any Clickfunnels landing page and paste into your editor, regardless if they have a paused account. So, Blake, what do you mean by that? Doesn't matter what they say. Right here. So what I did over here is I looked up a random thing, and it pops over here. It's a little pop-up showing that create marketing funnels in minutes. This typically would pop up is if the person that has this landing page, the person that actually owns this landing page has not paid for ClickFunnels. But let's say you're scrolling through this and you're like, wow, this is actually a pretty cool landing page. You know, I could use this. I kind of want this. Okay. So typically what you would do is you would go here, you would copy the funnel, you go back over here, and you would simply just paste the funnel right there. But as you can see, you get this pop-up over here, and what? You don't want that pop-up. No, so we're not going to have that pop up. What we're going to do is we're going to press inspect over here. We're going to go over here. So there's two things that we're going to have to get rid of. See this one over here, paused account model. Boom, that removes it. Actually, one thing we have to remove, even easier actually. All right, cool. It says pause account model. And the quick way of just finding that is I just refresh the screen. For this, inspect element, go over here. You're going to see over here, it's going to go over here. You kind of click through them here. And whatever one kind of hovers over, like whatever one hovers over this is kind of it. So you're going to have to like kind of click through it, kind of do your homework here. Kind of the best way to explain it. See how some of them highlight the entire screen. All these are just different pieces of code in the actual page. It's like this hovers the entire screen. This is probably just the header somewhere on top. This over here is somewhere in the body. It does some affiliate ID. There's something, I don't know, something. Pretty much just gotta know, remove this, backspace, bam, simple. Close that out and go over here, copy funnel, go over here, paste funnel. And guys, that's literally it. It's literally that simple, guys. So I hope this helped you guys. If any other questions, comments, concerns, let me know. I'll be more than happy to help. I'll talk to you all later. Peace out, guys.